I'm Kareem Emara. I'm a senior marketing manager at Informa Markets. It's the leading company for exhibitions worldwide. We're here today to cover Africa Food Manufacturing Show for the 10th edition of it. The matchmaking program for our exhibition is an integral part of the offering that we do for exhibitors and visitors. We think it's very important because it provides added value for both parties and helps with closing more deals on a larger scale. Of course, for large-scale events, this is a crucial thing to have in our program. AladdinB2B has helped much with this. They were covering everything from scratch. The process was flawless, and the team on ground was very responsive, and everything was covered perfectly. I believe with AladdinB2B on board, the ROI of the exhibitors and visitors both was increased dramatically, because we had very positive feedback from the people participating in the matchmaking and the hosted buyer programs that were covered by Aladdin as our partner for that. Both of them had multiple deals through this program. I'm very glad that they have been partnering with us for this event, and I'm sure we will work together for the upcoming ones.